When homeowners in Des Allemands invest in new windows, they're often motivated by goals like improving comfort, increasing energy efficiency, and boosting curb appeal. However, one crucial factor that directly determines how long those benefits last is often overlooked: the quality of the installation. Even the best-rated windows won't perform as promised if they aren't installed correctly. Professional installation ensures your windows deliver maximum durability, efficiency, and value for years to come. Precision matters. The role of expert installation. Every home in Des Allemands has its unique structure, frame type, and environmental challenges. Professional installers understand these variables and take the time to measure, fit, and seal windows with precision. A window that's even slightly misaligned can create gaps where air and moisture infiltrate, leading to warping, rot, and decreased energy efficiency. Certified professionals follow manufacturer specifications, ensuring that each window is properly seated and secured to withstand Louisiana's humidity, heat, and seasonal storms. DIY or low-cost installations often skip critical steps like weatherproof flashing or frame reinforcement, which can lead to early window failure. In contrast, professional installers use advanced tools and proven methods to maintain a snug, airtight fit that supports both the frame and the glass structure, essential for long-term stability. Enhanced energy efficiency and lower utility costs. Windows play a major role in maintaining indoor temperature. In a warm, humid climate like Des Allemands, improper installation can cause air leaks that force your HVAC system to work harder, driving up energy costs. Professionals use insulation materials and sealants designed to resist local weather conditions, preventing air infiltration and maintaining consistent indoor comfort. By eliminating gaps and ensuring optimal insulation, a professional installation maximizes the performance of energy-efficient windows, especially those with low E coatings or multiple panes. Over time, this not only reduces utility bills but also helps prevent condensation between panes, a common sign of failed seals caused by poor installation. Preventing structural damage and moisture issues. Humidity and rain are part of daily life in southern Louisiana, which means moisture control is critical for window longevity. Poorly installed windows can allow water to seep into the frame or wall cavity, causing mold growth, wood rot, and structural damage that may not appear until years later. Professional installers in Des Allemands are trained to apply high-quality flashing and caulking that redirect water away from vulnerable areas. They also inspect and prepare the opening before installation, ensuring the foundation is solid and dry. This attention to detail protects both your windows and your home's structural integrity, helping you avoid costly repairs in the future. Manufacturer warranty and peace of mind. Another major advantage of professional window installation is warranty protection. Most window manufacturers require professional installation for the warranty to remain valid. Attempting a DIY install or hiring an uncertified contractor can void that protection, leaving homeowners unprotected if issues arise. When you hire a licensed and insured installer, you not only secure professional craftsmanship but also preserve the manufacturer's warranty. Many reputable window companies in Des Allemands even offer their own labor warranties, adding an extra layer of security and peace of mind. Long-term value and lasting performance. Windows are one of the most significant investments in your home's comfort and value. Professional installation ensures that investment pays off for decades. Properly fitted windows resist premature wear, maintain their insulation properties, and continue to operate smoothly, no sticking, rattling, or drafts. Homeowners who choose expert installers often find that their windows perform better, look better, and last longer, even under Louisiana's challenging weather conditions. It's not just about getting the job done, it's about getting it done right. Final thoughts. In Des Allemands, where high humidity and heat can take a toll on home exteriors, professional window installation is essential for long-term durability. It safeguards against energy loss, water damage, and structural issues while protecting your warranty and investment. By trusting skilled local professionals, you ensure your windows deliver the comfort, efficiency, and beauty your home deserves for years to come.